Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Google Home installed, account ready, and your phone on the same too. 4 GHz Wi-Fi as the plug. Next, plug the device into power and perform a factory reset if it was paired before this forces pairing mode. Once done, open the Google Home app and tap Add. You're initiating device discovery now. The app will search the local network. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on the phone so discovery completes smoothly. After discovery, Google Home asks you to confirm the device code and assign the plug to a home and room. Verify the code you see on the plug LED versus the app. Then choose the Wi-Fi network, make sure it's the 4 GHz SSID because most plugs don't support 5 GHz. Enter the password carefully. A single wrong character will fail pairing. Once Wi-Fi is set, the app uploads credentials and the plug should show as online in a minute or two. Finish by assigning a clear name and room. Names matter because you'll use them with voice commands. Test the connection by toggling the plug from the Home app, then say a voice command such as, "Hey Google, turn on bedside lamp." If the plug is offline, first reboot your router and power cycle the plug. Make sure the plug remains within Wi-Fi range. If problems persist, rerun setup mode and watch for app error codes. They point exactly to authentication, Wi-Fi, or firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.